Hello everyone and welcome back to One How To. Today I'll show you 3 basic heel steps. So let's get started. Let's start with our strut. So first we need proper positioning. Engage your core. You can't just stand there loosely. You need to activate those abs, squeeze your glutes, and keep your legs straight. Never let those knees get soft. From here, create a slight arc in your back, nothing too dramatic, just like this, okay? And now we're ready to strut. We'll start with the pretty feet position. That's when your knees turn slightly inward with your feet together. Remember to point your toes, not like this, but like this. And from here, we'll strut forward, keeping those knees together. In other words, as you walk forward, no matter the tempo, your knees should always kiss. Don't let them separate like this. Another tip, your feet shouldn't point straight ahead. They should turn out slightly, like in a V position. Both front and back feet should maintain this slight turnout as you move. We can do this double time, like this. Or single time, like this. Or even in 4 counts, which is slower but more challenging. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep working those rhythms and especially your core control. Without it, you'll lose your balance. For our second step, we're going to do the dip. So we'll work with one leg. I'll demonstrate with my left. And it's an down and up motion. But this is important, okay? So while keeping your core tight, don't throw your weight forward when you dip, okay? Because that's how falls happen. Instead, when lowering, push your booty back slightly for better balance. Find that smooth dip and rise. Same thing with the other leg. Let me show you from behind, okay? Look for that dip and rise. Not here, but here. The third step is our full squat. So we need to keep it straight down. If we drop forward like this, we'll fall. Okay, so find that same position we talked about earlier, booty back, and then when you press, lower straight down. Okay, so pause here, close, come up, always keeping that straight line. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and until next time.